Ever get that urge to just pack a bag and go? The biggest buzzkill? Visa paperwork. But in 2025, you can skip the hassle. Many amazing countries now offer visa-free entry. Today I'm sharing my top picks for destinations you can visit with just your passport. From tropical escapes to ancient cities, these spots make spontaneous travel a breeze. Ready to see where you can go, no strings attached? Let's dive in, with Meg. First up, let's journey to Indonesia, a breathtaking nation made up of over 17,000 islands, scattered like emerald jewels across the equator. This is a land where the ocean meets lush green landscapes, and every island has its own unique story to tell. Each island is more stunning than the last, offering a kaleidoscope of natural beauty. Think turquoise waters, dramatic coastlines, and sunrises that paint the sky in brilliant colors. For many travelers, Indonesia makes it easy to visit, offering a 30-day visa-free stay for citizens of dozens of countries. That's a whole month to immerse yourself in this tropical paradise, with no paperwork headaches. Imagine spending your days wandering through Bali's iconic rice paddies, snorkeling above the vibrant coral reefs of the Gili Islands, or marveling at the dramatic cliffs of Nusa Penida, or perhaps you'll lose yourself in the mystical jungles of Ubud, hike through Bali's lush forests, or relax on the untouched beaches of Lombok. Island hop from spiritual Bali to rugged Lombok, each destination offering its own adventure. And don't miss the chance to spot the legendary Komodo dragons in their natural habitat, a true bucket list experience found only in Indonesia. The best part? With no visa restrictions, you can be as spontaneous as you like. Change your plans on a whim, chase new adventures, and let curiosity guide you. Savor street food in Jakarta, or decide last minute to catch a ferry to a new island. The warmth of Indonesian hospitality will greet you wherever you go. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a couple seeking romance, or a family on a tropical getaway, Indonesia is accessible, welcoming, and truly unforgettable. There's something here for every kind of traveler. Just remember to check your passport's requirements and entry rules before you book your flight so your journey is smooth from the start. In Indonesia, every day brings a new discovery: hidden waterfalls, bustling markets, and flavors you've never tried before. Adventure is always just around the corner, so pack light, keep your sense of wonder close, and let the islands of Indonesia surprise you at every turn. Your adventure is just beginning. Next, let's head to Serbia, Europe's underrated treasure. Serbia offers a generous 90-day visa-free stay for many travelers. Explore Belgrade's fortress, legendary nightlife, and creative energy. Venture south to national parks, hike forested trails, and savor hearty Serbian cuisine. With 3 months, you can live like a local, maybe even catch the Exit Music Festival in Novi Sad. Serbia is affordable, safe, and full of untold stories. Discover the soul of the Balkans, visa-free. Dreaming of turquoise waters and powdery white sand beneath your feet? The Bahamas is calling your name, inviting you to experience a world where the ocean sparkles in every shade of blue and the sun always seems to shine a little brighter. With visa-free entry for up to 90 days, it's the perfect destination for a spontaneous escape or a well-planned adventure. Wander through Nassau's vibrant streets where pastel-colored buildings and lively markets showcase the island's rich culture and friendly spirit. After soaking up the city's energy, venture out to the remote Out Islands, where untouched beauty and tranquil beaches await, offering a true sense of seclusion and peace. Don't miss the chance to swim with Exuma's famous pigs, a once-in-a-lifetime experience, or snorkel in crystal-clear waters teeming with colorful marine life and vibrant coral reefs, or simply unwind in a hammock strung between swaying palm trees, letting the gentle ocean breeze and the sound of waves melt your worries away. The Bahamas is as easygoing as it is breathtaking. No stress, just pure island time, where every moment is meant to be savored. From world-class luxury resorts and unique pink sand beaches to hidden coves and lively beach bars, there's truly something here for everyone, no matter your travel style. Sometimes paradise really is this accessible, just a flight away, waiting for you to arrive and make unforgettable memories in the heart of the Caribbean. Next, let's journey to Georgia, a remarkable crossroads where Europe and Asia blend seamlessly, creating a haven for curious travelers and adventure seekers alike. This is a land where ancient history is etched into every stone, and breathtaking landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. For many nationalities, Georgia offers an incredible visa-free stay for up to a year. Imagine that, an entire year to immerse yourself in this enchanting country. Hike the dramatic peaks of the Caucasus Mountains, where the air is crisp and the views are unforgettable. Wander through lush vineyards in the Kakheti region, savoring world-class wines and learning about Georgia's 8,000-year-old winemaking tradition. Lose yourself in the winding cobblestone streets of Tbilisi's Old Town, where colorful balconies and centuries-old architecture tell stories of empires past. Every corner reveals a new surprise, from hidden courtyards to vibrant street art. Georgia's hospitality is truly legendary. Here, guests are not just welcomed, but embraced as family. Sit down to a traditional supra, a feast overflowing with khachapuri, fresh produce, and endless toasts. The food is unforgettable, the wine flows freely, and the warmth of the people will stay with you long after you leave. Whether you're a digital nomad seeking cozy cafes and fast Wi-Fi, or a slow traveler eager to soak in every detail, Georgia offers the perfect balance of work and wonder. Relax in the famous Tbilisi sulfur baths, or join fellow explorers as you discover the city's vibrant neighborhoods, bustling markets, and lively festivals. There's always something new to experience. With a whole year to discover, you'll never run out of adventures. Try paragliding over snow-capped peaks, rafting down wild rivers, or hiking to remote monasteries perched on mountain cliffs. Georgia isn't just a destination, it's an experience that will capture your heart, ignite your sense of wonder, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Thailand, the land of smiles, just got even better for travelers. Many can now stay visa-free for 60 days or more with easy extensions. Take your time, explore Bangkok's chaos, Chiang Mai's calm, and the island's beauty. With more time, you can dive deeper, visit ancient ruins, hidden beaches, and vibrant markets. Thailand is perfect for slow travel or remote work. Settle in, find your favorite street food, and make new friends. The longer you stay, the richer your experience. Barbados offers something special. Visa-free stays up to 6 months for many. Embrace Bajan culture, surf the south coast, and make the Oystins fish fry your Friday ritual. Explore both the calm west coast and the wild east, plus historic Bridgetown and lush caves. With half a year you can truly live the island life, work remotely, learn to surf, or just unwind. Barbados is more than a beach escape, it's a place to recharge and connect. Stay longer, live deeper. Morocco is a sensory adventure, colors, spices, and ancient traditions. Enjoy 90 days visa-free to explore imperial cities, the Sahara, Atlas Mountains, and the coast. Wander Marrakech's souks, hike Berber villages, and ride camels over desert dunes. Savor tagine, mint tea, and legendary hospitality. With 3 months you can truly immerse yourself. Visit Blue Chefchaouen, artsy Essaouira, and historic Fes. Morocco rewards slow, curious travelers. Every chapter is yours to discover. Albania is Europe's best-kept secret, stunning coasts, mountains, and history. Enjoy 90 days visa-free and stretch your budget further. Explore Tirana's vibrant scene, the Albanian Riviera's beaches and ancient ruins at Butrin. Don't miss the stone cities of Gjirokastër and Berat or hiking in the wild accursed mountains. Albania is authentic, welcoming, and still off the beaten path. Go now before the secret's out. Adventure awaits on every corner. South Korea blends futuristic cities with deep tradition, and offers 90 days visa-free for many. Start in Seoul, neon lights, palaces, and street food galore. Take the KTX train to Busan for beaches and coastal vibes, or visit historic Gyeongju. Hike national parks like Seoraksan, or explore volcanic Jeju Island. South Korea is clean, efficient, and endlessly fascinating. Dive into the culture, cuisine, and contrasts. It's a journey you won't forget. Tunisia is a Mediterranean gem. Roman ruins, blue seas, and Saharan adventures. Enjoy 90 days visa-free to explore ancient Carthage, the Medina of Tunis, and the cliffside village of Sidi Bou Said. Stand in the amphitheater of El Jem, then journey south to the Sahara's edge. Visit Star Wars Matmata, cross salt flats, and relax on Jerba's beaches. Tunisia is compact, diverse, and full of surprises. Ancient history meets beach relaxation, all with warm North African hospitality. Don't overlook this treasure. That's 10 incredible countries you can visit visa-free in 2025. From the Bahamas to Georgia, the world is more open than ever. Where would you go if you didn't need a visa? Let us know in the comments. like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration. This is Explore with Meg. See you on the next adventure.